guys, welcome back to my wax channel. So I have a fun unboxing from Scentsy. So I got this warmer mystery bundle. I believe that's what is in here. So if you guys didn't know, there was a flash sale a couple days ago. I don't remember when the flash sale was. I think it was like last Saturday or Monday or something. I don't know. But I'm excited to see what I got because it's a mystery, so you don't really know what you're gonna get. So I'm not gonna look. I'm just going to pull out the first one that I see. Ooh, and it is, oh, I already have this one. So this is the Sparkling Snowman. So I'm gonna give this to a friend, a coworker. I did an unboxing here on my channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, go ahead. But I already have that warmer, so that's awesome. Okay, and the next warmer is, ooh, summertime. I'm definitely keeping this one. So we'll do an unboxing of this one. So this is what it looks like. Well, that's the name of it. Yep, summertime. Can't wait because I like to switch out my warmers every once in a while. So that's exciting. So up top, this is probably the dish. So you want to not throw this out. Ooh, I've never seen this warmer lit up before. Ooh, it's a frosted dish. This is what it looks like. So I usually put 4 cubes in here just because it can fit 4 cubes, but that's just my preference. But yeah. Ooh, okay. So here's the warmer. Oh wow. Definitely keeping the box. Well, I'm gonna put it back in the box, obviously, but I wanted to share with you what it looks like. So it looks like a 25 watt bulb. So that's the bulb. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna screw in the light bulb. I've never gotten like a mystery warmer bundle before, so I'm excited. Ooh. This is, oh, it's called Hello Sunshine. It's like textured, if you guys can hear that. But it has like palm trees. Oh, wow. But that's it compared to my head. But I cannot wait to light this up and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna light it up, and then after I'll like post photos on my Instagram. But yeah, guys, those are the 2 warmers that I got in my mystery bundle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please like this video and subscribe down below. Let me show you guys what wattage this is before I let you guys go. So this is a, oh, 25 watt. Perfect. So So this will melt my wax no problem. Oh, and it also has it on the back of the tag, which is very helpful. So yeah. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, I will be posting pictures of this warmer on my Instagram. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.